Hey guys, Jenny PRD, registered dietitian and nutrition expert. Thanks so much for checking in. This video continues with Crohn's disease and the importance of vitamin A, D, E, and K. I talked about vitamin D in my calcium and vitamin D video. So this one I'm going to touch on A, E, and K. So what those vitamins have in common are that they are fat-soluble vitamins. So you need fat in your diet in order to absorb those vitamins. They play critical roles in immunity, skin health, and just overall health, blood clotting, things like that. So they are very important vitamins that we need. I'm going to get into food sources as well. But those patients with Crohn's disease that may have low levels of those vitamins A, E, and K could suffer from short bowel syndrome, short bowel inflammation, as well as biliary blockage. So you may be low in those vitamins. So different food sources for vitamin A are going to be sweet potatoes, red peppers, mangoes, cantaloupe, as well as broccoli. Great sources of vitamin E are almonds, almond butter, peanuts, peanut butter, as well as wheat germ oil, wheat germ, sunflower oil, and sunflower seeds. And great sources of vitamin K are kale, collard greens, turnip greens, pomegranate juice, broccoli, cauliflower. So make sure you are getting a variety of these foods in your diet. As always, if you feel you do not get enough of these nutrients, vitamins A, E, and K, talk with your doctor about the right supplement or vitamin and mineral supplement that may be best for you. Quick shout out to my Fat to Fit weight loss group on Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and let me know any other videos you want to talk about in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and stay tuned for more videos.